Hey everyone, just wanted to make this quick video. Like, I looked all over the internet and I couldn't find really anything that would answer my question. So I just figured I'd do this because I hate watching videos that just drag on and on and on. So I was trying to find what I needed for an iPad because I wanted to get a bigger one.
Please check it on the map.
You just heard it load up. Now I kind of scooted forward ahead of this. So this is an iPad Pro. I got it. I looked online, actually Facebook Marketplace. I ended up, I think I paid $200 for it. So it's the older one. It's the 9.7. I did get the cellular and Wi-Fi, and I'll explain why. I looked all over for videos, and everybody said, yeah, you can use iPad Pro, you can use iPad Mini. Do I need cellular? Do I need wireless? Well, I figured out the only difference is this is a Mavic Air 2 Pro. Excuse me, Mavic Air 2. It will work if you have the cellular. I just hotspot it. That'll bring up the maps, like an actual map. So I have it on the hotspot right now. So if the only thing, like, you'll still be able to fly with the Wi-Fi, you'll still see everything. You just won't be able to have the maps and the point of interest and stuff like that. I think I said that right. You just won't have your maps if you don't have a hotspot. But if Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see the camera. You'll be able to do everything else you want to do. I'm not sure for the other units, but the Follow Me and all the, what do they call that? The quick shots, it works. It works with just the Wi-Fi. The cellular is the maps. That's what I found. Now, this is completely my opinion. Don't go out, crash your shit, and then call me an asshole. It works with this. That's all I'm saying. So, I mean, right there you can see it. Right there's the maps. So there you go. I mean, I don't know how else to make it that simpler, but that's it. Quick video, did it, done. And if you got any questions, I'm sure if I can't answer it, someone in here will and give me their opinion on it. So thank you very much. Thumbs up if you care to. Subscribe if you want. All right, thanks. Bye.